Well-managed mind, step number 3 and step number 4. Please put your hand over your collarbone in step number 3, and we are gonna delete all the stuff that is between conscious and subconscious mind, in a loop stuck with you, where you imposing your own stress. Because we don't want to do that, do we? So what can we do is all the files that we have in our subconscious stored, and our subconscious keeps sending us all the time, we're gonna delete them. And how we do that is that we're gonna visualize deleting them either through burning it, or vacuuming the files, or just deleting them. Maybe they look like your computer. Anything that comes to your mind, or you can just throw them out in a garbage, or do with them whatever you like. Put them on a boat, on the bottom of the ocean, burn them, whatever you like. And I would like you now to concentrate on all the files, and they can be specific, that may be popping in your head, and if you're not sure about anything specific or don't want to visit anything specific from past, just think about it, that any self-imposed stress, anything that you stressing you out in life, and is happening because there's something in past, or you're doing too much, and it can be pretty much anything. You're not in a good space, you worry, you have anger in your life, or some fear, or guilt, and we want to get rid of it, because we don't want to live with it. We don't need it in our brain, in our mind, we don't want it in our body. So I want you to grab anything that has to do with self-imposed stress, and let's delete it. Let's burn this sucker. Or whatever you want to do with it is fine as well. And take your time. You can pause it right now and get rid of anything that has to do with you imposing your own stress on yourself. And you know it, but you can't stop it. Once you delete all these files, it's not going to happen, because then you're going to be talking to yourself in a kind way, and not in a stressed way, or anger way, or guilty way. So delete it, delete it, delete it. Anything that has to do with self-imposed stress. And check one more time to make sure that all the self-imposed stress is gone from your subconscious, from your body. And once it's all clear, we're going to go to point number 4. Over your heart area, you can rest your hand there, you can switch the hands, and you can tap there as well. You can just tap the hand. And I would like you to see yourself here without any stress, without you talking to yourself in a wonderful way, and you respecting yourself in a wonderful way, and not having those negative thoughts, because we deleted all of them, and now they're all positive, and they can be heart-shaped, they can be smileys, they can be anything you want them to be. They can be just bubbles, colorful bubbles floating up, and being around you, and you are surrounded by all this positive energy, by all these positive things that are bringing you tranquility and happiness and freedom of your mind, and you're really happy about it. You are now figuring out that you don't have to talk to yourself in any negative way, that you can be friends with yourself, with your thoughts, be nice to yourself. And that's the first step to learning how to love yourself, right? So wherever you are, if you're on the beach or anywhere else, at home, in your comfortable lazy boy, wherever you are, smile. Smile at the visual picture you just created. Just smile. And be happy that what you created is going to your subconscious mind. It's going to be there in 2 hours. It's your really good positive file, and you're going to build on it several times a day, or whenever you feel like it. You just close your eyes wherever you are. You put your hand over your heart area, and you bring this visual picture of tranquility and happiness with no stress and freedom of your mind, you being the best friends to your mind, and you guys getting along so well that stress cannot even come close to you. And visualize this as many times a day as you want, because you're safe, you're good, you get energy that is positive, and we are all one, we are all energetic, we are all wired similarly, and we all sharing the good energy among us. Imagine what it can do to the world if we all have this positive energy you have right now in the file. And you know that you're going to keep it as long as you want, because every time you bring it up, it's going to go in 2 hours to your subconscious mind, and that pattern of happiness is going to strengthen. It's going to get stronger and stronger, and you're going to feel better and better. And people are going to be saying to you, what have you done with yourself? You look so good. Yeah, you look so balanced and relaxed.